Hi guys, Chox here and welcome back to my channel to the cupcake playlist. I am going to show you how to make a pull apart cake number 5 out of cupcakes. Here we go. Alright, let's make the shape number 5. We're going to start off with the 2 rows of 4 right at the top of this. Sometimes we need to have more definition in the middle of these numbers, so we fatten up the top and the bottom or the sides. You just want to make the extra cupcakes go in where it's not going to look, or where it's not going to make the number look ridiculous. So we're going to start with the 2 rows of 4 right at the top. So there we go. Now we need to do the 2 more to drop it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and kitten, and 24. So there you go, you guys. We have got the number 5 made with 24 cupcakes. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me in the cupcake playlist. We're learning how to make monogram cakes out of numbers and letters. Please be sure to click the iCard or one of the boxes around this number 5 here, and it'll take you back to the playlist or to another number or letter. Alright, I'll see you there. Bye!